friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel That's Anything Anywhere, and in this video we are going to solve this question related to trigonometry, that if sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 3 and theta doesn't lies in third quadrant, you need to find the values of cos theta and cot theta. So let us start. So it was mentioned that sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 3, that is it is negative. Alright, now just let us draw this triangle, right angle triangle, where this is B, A, B, C. So this is, suppose this is theta. So sine theta, that is opposite by hypotenuse. We neglect this minus while keeping opposite. So opposite to theta is 1 and hypotenuse is 3. So what is adjacent? So hypotenuse square minus opposite square is equal to adjacent square. Am I right? So hypotenuse is nothing but 3 square is minus opposite square is 1 square is equal to adjacent square. Alright. So 3 square is nothing but 9 minus 1 is equal to adjacent square. So 9 minus 1 is 8. This 2 will come here and become a root. Root 8 is equal to adjacent. Now adjacent, this can be written as 2 can be taken common. This 2 can be taken common because we can write this as root 2 into 2 into 2 thrice. This can be written as 4. So answer will be 2 root 2. Right. This can be taken as 1 and 2 root 2 will be the answer. So adjacent side is nothing but 2 root 2. Okay. Now what did they say? That this sine theta is not in quadrant 3. So you can just mention that, suppose you can write it as theta does not belongs to quadrant 3. See, quadrant 3 means this is your quadrant table, that is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. In quadrant 1 all are positive. In quadrant 2 sine is positive. Okay, but in quadrant 3 and 4 sine is negative. Since sine is negative here, it should be there in either quadrant 3 or either in quadrant 4. But it is mentioned that theta does not belong to quadrant 3, therefore theta belongs to quadrant 4. So you can write, since theta does not belongs to quadrant, therefore theta belongs to quadrant 4. Is that clear? Now what are they asking in the question? What do you need to find in the question? So they are asking you to find cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Right? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? 2 root 2. Or what is hypotenuse? 3. But in quadrant 4 cos is positive. In quadrant 4 cos is positive, therefore plus 2 root 2 by 3. And even they are asking cot theta. So cot theta is equal to adjacent by opposite. So your adjacent is nothing but 2 root 2 and opposite is nothing but 1, that is 2 root 2 only. But in quadrant 4 cot is negative, therefore you will get minus 2 root 2. Is that clear? This was your video.